Welcome back to another video. In this video we are back at our guest house and we are going to be working on these sides here, and also we need to add the metal on the roofs on the very top where they connect so the water can run off from one roof onto the next. Currently it's kind of going in between and all falling down, creating quite a mess inside, so we need to fix that first, and then we're going to work on adding some things that we need for the siding, such as wind barrier and the metal for connecting it to the roof. So let's get started with the very top. Let me interrupt the video for a small moment, because Engvi has sent us an amazing new bike. As you know, we have worked with them in the past and they've been an amazing brand, an amazing sponsor of the channel. I've been driving this bike for almost a year, so let's change its color. And here's another color. As you can see, this is a bright yellow. I already loved that color, it was kind of unique, but this one caught my eye even more. I love this black and yellow. That looks so cool. It kind of fits our homestead even more because it's like a dandelion yellow. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be like the Bumblebee from Transformers, and let's go take it on a ride. But not a typical one, we're gonna take kind of a bit of an off-roady route. Let's go. So we have arrived in the forest, and it's really amazing just to race through the forest, and the suspension keeps me very nicely on the bumpy road, and the seat suspension, that's my favorite things. So if you are interested in one of these bikes, you can check out the link down below. Of course, there's many different types and everything that could suit your needs. You can find exactly the bike, smaller bike, bigger bike, everything they have on their website, and you can check out all the specifications for every different bikes. As you've seen, Decia has a much smaller bike, much better for girls and shorter height. This one is quite of a tall bike, so you're not able to get on if you are a bit shorter, so you need a bit smaller bike. They have that as well. And for the cost that they're extremely good quality. I definitely cannot say anything bad about them. We've been driving one for a year, and as you can see, we are driving through pretty harsh conditions. In a sitting condition, these bikes are probably going to last you a really long time. We are kind of putting them through their harshest environments, and they're working really well, and we're putting quite a lot of kilometers on them every single day almost, especially in summer season. So yeah, if you want to support us, support our sponsors, and let's get on with the video. Okay. So as you can see, we're done with this side. We have put our wind barrier. We have put our kind of a drainage for the wall. So that's going to make sure the water goes off the wall and goes directly on the roof, not behind. Maybe put some silicone under here, but theoretically it's not needed. It goes downwards, cannot go really upwards. And now that left to do on this side is to do the siding. And we're working with what we can. In theory, it's really budget. This whole build is budget. This one's here, I don't know if I explained, but these are completely for a wrong purpose. But in this case, they're kind of working exactly like those roof gutters. Well, not those gutters, but like these connecting gutters. So they're realistically gonna work amazing for redirecting the water. And the rest, I'm making do what I have. I put some little scrap metal on the very top there to just collect that water and get it all down onto the roof. Nothing to get into the building as much as I can. I don't think there's going to be really any leaks, but we do have to change the top. I noticed there's a few leaks on the very top, but we already know that the top is in bad condition. We never changed it. We will change it once we change the other side in a few months. But now let's get on with the other side and get the other side exactly like this. Go poke, go poke, poke. Like it?
Yep.
So as you can see, we are sealed on this side as well. The only thing we're missing is the tape. We don't have any left, so we're gonna run to the store and get some tape and tape up the connections. But that's pretty much it. The day is already over. We kind of took a lot longer than expected to do this because it just takes a lot of thinking and figuring it out, exactly making all waterproof as well to connect all the roofs up. But it looks good. Now we're ready for the siding, which we're gonna do tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye. I can't get in.